Everyone, this is X Genius again. Today I will show you how you can assign themes, payment gateways while you are creating price plan. So let's go to our admin panel, NazMart admin panel. Here is our NazMart script admin panel. Let's go to price plan, add new price plan. First, give your price plan name. If you want to give any badges, you can add it. For example, digital plan. And if you have any description, you can add it. You can add the features of this price plan, products, pages, blog, storage, inventory, campaign, coupon. I'm giving all the features. Marking these features will allow this feature in this price plan. That means if any user purchase this plan, the user will get this feature like API for the app, testimonial, newsletter, page create permission. This is like for how many pages he or she can create. Here the storage permission. This is not the number, it is the amount in megabyte MB. So how much storage he can use, like 500 MB. Here is the theme section. You can add the themes, like your desired themes in this price plan, that which themes the user will get after he purchases this price plan. So I'm giving the three themes. That means if any user purchases this plan, he will only get these three themes, and other two unmarked themes he will not get. You can also add the desired payment gateways. I can add it manually, my desired payment gateways, or I can also add them all. It means if I uncheck any of them, the user will not get this unchecked payment gateways. Or I can also say that the selected payment gateways will be included in the price plan, and the user will only get these selected payment gateways if he purchases the plan. So after that, this is the type of this price plan. So I'm giving monthly. If this price plan has trial or not, if has, how many days? So I'm giving 7 for 1 week. Then the price, I'm giving $599. The status of this price plan is published. I can also draft it. If I don't want to publish it now, I can add some FAQ title about this price plan. I can add it multiple times. After all of this, save changes. Our price plan is created successfully. We can see it here. Here is our plan. So we can also see this in the front end for the user. In the front page, home page, I am logged in as a user, so I can, while I'm taking a subscription, I can see the subscription. Here is the subscription plan which I have just created. So I can go to buy now. You can see these three themes which I have added while creating the plan, and the payment gateways, my selected payment gateways which I have added while creating the plan. So that's all. This is how we can create a price plan and add themes in it and add desired payment gateways in it. That's all. Thank you.